Hi there and welcome. Valerie Chodine here with a Vintage Book Leaves stencil, part of the Vintage Book collection. And I'm so excited because I got to design it to fit specific sizes that we use a lot in journaling and art making. One is the A5 journal here. To begin with, I want to put some background color on this. And so I'm just going to use some pastels and just rub it along here to kind of get that variegated leafy look. And I'm rubbing it in pretty well so that it's not going to smear a bunch on the other side of the page. It may ghost a little bit, but I don't think it will do that much. And then maybe just around the edge a little more. Okay. That looks good. Now I'm going to center this, except I'm going to leave a bit on the bottom because I'm going to stencil that part too. Or I could leave it blank and write a title or something like that. But I'm going to put my title in another place. It kind of fits right in here on this side, just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to use some gold watercolor. And I do need to spray more gold, I'm sure. I did spritz this before because it takes a while to activate. So let me go in with this. And, you know, it might be a good idea for me to tape this down, but of course I'm not going to do that. It's just, I'm saying that if you're doing it, it would probably be a good idea. Now this I am going to tape down. So let me get some tape here. Usually I like thinner tape, but this is the first piece that I see since I forgot. And I want to tape this down here. And I'm kind of eye it in, or if you want to measure, you can measure to the center. This is in the center here, so I know that if I center the circle, that part, then it looks kind of straight on the sides. I think that's good. I'm just going to set this in here because I want this to not be gold. I want to do something different in there. Okay, now I need to spray more because I'll probably use more than one gold just because it'll be faster. And test that. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I like it. Oh, look, isn't that cool? It came up a little bit there, but that's okay with the tape. This tape is too strong. I wouldn't use this tape, except that I did use it. But oh, you guys, I really like it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do something that is kind of unique in a sense to pastels, whether they're pan pastels or regular, or I wonder if gelatos would work. I'm not sure. Maybe. I think so. But I'm erasing the inside, and it has that kind of aged look. Oh, I love it. And then what I'm going to do, I could do lots of things here. I can go in with more, you know, leaves. I could put something down here. What I'm going to do here is this wreath fits exactly on that little circle, and I'm going to stencil these leaves on top. And I could put a title, I could put a symbol. I'm just going to stencil, because this is a stenciling demo, instead of putting a title in there. But I think that looks great. And I could put a title down here, which is probably what I'll end up doing. I'm going to put this here. Could even put some of these in there. Too many choices almost in one stencil. Amazing. Okay. So here it is. Look at that. Awesome.